Hello, welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. I'm Geraldine Gray, Salesforce MVP, and I'm here today with Sam Gutmann, CEO of OwnBackup. Sam, tell me a little bit about OwnBackup. What is it that brings you to work every day?
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be with you today, Geraldine. At OwnBackup, we believe that no company operating in the cloud should ever lose data. We were founded by a bunch of information security experts, so security and compliance are at the root of everything that we do. Clearly, Salesforce has done an amazing job of building a huge platform that's highly reliable and redundant. But accidental data loss and corruption can still happen. At OwnBackup, we call that user-inflicted data loss, which can be anything as simple as a sales rep deciding, hey, I'm going to delete all my opportunities the day before I quit, to a more likely scenario of an integration or customization going wrong and corrupting a subset of data. When those things happen, usually it becomes the admin's problem. Someone comes running up to them saying, hey, I had this record yesterday, but I can't find it today. With OwnBackup, we provide a tool that allows an organization to back up all their data and protect it on a regular basis. But in the event of a data loss or corruption, a really sophisticated set of tools that allow them to compare any 2 points in time, understand exactly what data was affected in a data loss or corruption, and put the database back together just the way they think it should be.
So Sam, what is it that makes OwnBackup different? Do you have a vision and values that you adhere to?
We sure do, Geraldine. We're pretty proud of the amazing vision and values that we have. And just as Salesforce has their V2 mom straight down from Mark Benioff, so do we. So our vision is to build the platform that allows an enterprise to back up, protect, and manage compliance of all of their SaaS data. As businesses continue down the path of digital transformation, it's vital that they have a solution in place that allows them to transform confidently and securely in the cloud. Whether that be us helping put the pieces back together in the event of an accidental data loss or corruption, or helping their development teams develop faster and more cost-effectively using our sandbox seeding tools. When it comes to values, there are really 4 that we live by. The first is that we believe culture is as important as the results that we drive. And you can see that from talking with any of our team members or reading the amazing AppExchange reviews that we have. Number 2 is that we take our work seriously, but not ourselves. Clearly, backup is a serious business, but we really are proud of the family environment that we've built, and we try to have some fun as we do it. 3 is that we care about everything that we do, and that's down to every line of code that we write, clearly every backup that we keep, or even the amazing trade show swag we give out at Dreamforce. And lastly, we build trust through transparency. And that starts with me giving regular town hall presentations to our employees, and down to the trust website we have for our customers.
GDPR and compliance is a challenge for many Salesforce customers. Can you tell me how OwnBackup goes beyond just being a backup tool, Sam?
Yeah, sure. As I mentioned earlier, Geraldine, compliance is part of our vision. We're really proud of the unique solution we've developed in the marketplace that allows customers to maintain GDPR compliance while also maintaining compliance with a lot of other regulatory issues in different industries. One of the principles, as you know, of GDPR is that it allows an individual the right to be forgotten or delete their data, or the right to rectify or change their data. As a backup company, that presents a unique challenge. We're in the business of keeping data, not deleting it, and certainly not changing it. So our solution allows a company to maintain that GDPR compliance, but also continue to keep their backups in an unchangeable or immutable fashion that allows them to maintain compliance with other regulatory issues in industries such as financial services and healthcare and life sciences.
I see lots of use cases for OwnBackup, but can you tell me where our customers had some really strong success?
Yeah, absolutely. As we've discussed earlier, accidental data loss and corruption happens way more often than one would think. One of our customers, for example, Michigan State University, shortly after they signed up and were on our platform, decided to do a little cleanup within their Salesforce org. They wound up downloading a bunch of data and trying to manipulate it within Excel. One of the fields had a bunch of zeros in front of the actual key value. As Excel sometimes does, it deleted those extra zeros. So when they uploaded the data back into Salesforce, it wound up not relating those records back to other records that weren't downloaded. A few days after that, someone came running up to the admin and said, hey, I can't find all these records. And the admin was able to use the OwnBackup visual compare tools, pinpoint exactly when that data loss occurred, understand which records were affected, and get the database back together in a couple of clicks. We're really proud of the story because not only did we help the university, but we helped the admin get out of a pretty tight spot. And she became someone that's really one of our biggest promoters.
I see some really strong use cases. Can we take a look at a demo and see the product live?
Absolutely, Geraldine. I'd love to dive into a demo and show you how the OwnBackup platform can help. OwnBackup protects your business-critical data by providing enterprise-level control across your Salesforce orgs from a single dashboard. Interactive graphs make it easy to identify Salesforce data changes over time, and automated daily backups protect your Salesforce data, metadata, and attachments. Manage proactively with customizable smart alerts that notify you whenever data is added, changed, or deleted. Quickly search your entire backup archive to find specific records, remove records individually or in bulk, and stay compliant with internal and external regulations, including GDPR. Compare backups at the click of a button to locate the exact point at which data was lost or corrupted, and recover lost data quickly, regardless of scale. With OwnBackup, you can restore data records with their corresponding parent and child relationships down to any level of granularity. Speed up development with OwnBackup sandbox seeding and replicate to create anonymized test data sets in minutes. Accelerate digital transformation, build business resiliency, and maintain regulatory compliance with OwnBackup for Salesforce.
Thank you for that demo, Sam. If I'm a system admin or maybe I'm in security, where can I go to learn more?
You can visit our website at ownbackup.com or look us up on the IT management section of the AppExchange.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you at a World Tour, or I'll be seeing you at Dreamforce.
Thanks very much for having me today, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Cheers.